Telegram has been causing issues for many users worldwide, especially the problem of getting stuck on connecting without loading any content. Even if you wait for 24 hours, nothing changes, leaving you unable to use this popular platform. In this video, I will show you a simple and quick solution to fix this issue without using any VPN or additional apps. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll restore your Telegram functionality in no time. Make sure to watch the video from start to finish to learn all the necessary tricks. Stay connected for more tech tips. Please subscribe to this channel for more tech-related solutions and tips to fix common issues. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends so they can solve their problems too. What we are going to do here is something very important. In the description of this video, there is a link that, when clicked, will take you to our WhatsApp channel. In this channel, we post important tips and information, so it's good to follow it. The important thing that brought us here today is this link you see here. You will copy this link by holding it or clicking on it for a long time. You will see a message saying, "Link copied," and you will have successfully copied the link. Next, we will return to Telegram. Tap on the part where it says Connecting. It will take you to the Proxy Settings section. Tap on Add Proxy. Then tap on Paste from Clipboard. Once you tap there, it will automatically fill in the proxy. What you need to do next is tap on the tick icon to confirm. You will then see a check mark, and once it's done, it will show green text, meaning you are connected and available. When you go back, you will see that the word connect has disappeared, and now it says updated. This means that it's updated and ready to use, and your Telegram status will now be working. This is a simple and quick way to fix the connecting issue on Telegram without using any VPN or additional apps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and support, and also share and like this video so your friends can also get this solution.